Husky floor liners for the 2021 Plus Ford Broncos. Stay tuned. Who doesn't love quick and easy projects that make a big difference? And adding a set of heavy-duty floor liners from Husky is quick and easy, and it'll make a huge difference in keeping the inside of your Bronco clean. Now, whether it be mud, dirt, and debris from days on the trail, or you're chasing errant crayons, soggy fries, and melted ice cream cones from those backseat munchkins, a good set of floor liners will help keep the inside of your Bronco clean, and it'll actually make it easier to keep clean. For the install, we're going to start out by removing the OE floor mats, those carpeted floor mats, and then we're going to give the floor area a thorough cleaning and get the vacuum in there and vacuum it out too. Now the front floor mats, they slide into place and then snap into the factory floor mat retainers. Now they are side specific, so if it doesn't fit on one side, you know it's going to fit on the other. The rear passenger liners are all one piece, so you need to stretch them all the way across and then slide the front edge in first. You'll notice there's cleats on the bottom, and that's going to lock into the carpet to keep them in place. The rear mat simply slides into place and you're finished. Unless you want your cargo hooks, you'll need to do some trimming on the floor mats to get them to fit. One thing you'll notice is how perfectly they fit the floor. The self-professed liner nerds over at Husky use a laser to scan the floors of each vehicle, and they design their mats to fit perfectly. And their patented raised ridge form-fit edge runs along the door edge to help keep the dirt and debris contained right in the mat itself. Husky makes their liners out of what they call Rubberized Duragrip. It's a soft rubber-like material that is easy to clean. Just pull them out and shake them out if it's dry. If they get muddy or you get some liquid spilled in them, pull them out and hose them off. You can even take a scrub brush to them. So there you have it, a quick and easy mod that'll help keep the interior of your Bronco a lot cleaner. Now to get a set for your 2021 Plus Bronco, click those links down in the description box below. And then while you're down there, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're not already, and then hit that little notification bell. That'll help keep you posted on all our latest videos, and it'll help us grow this channel. And then as always, thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.